this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see who reshared your WhatsApp status. Okay, so to see that, open WhatsApp, then head to updates right here. Yeah, don't worry, my other people's status is actually in this horizontal mode because I'm actually following particular channels right here. So tap my status. So this is the status that actually shared. So to see the people that have actually reshared the status, you're going to see this tab right here. Okay, now for someone who has actually reshared the status, you'll actually see the reshared option. You can do the same on your phone. Do that and you should be able to see reshared option right there. Okay, but you must have allowed status resharing within the settings of WhatsApp. So that's how you see the person that actually reshared your WhatsApp status. Subs the channel would be amazing if you pick part in this video.